Selling houses! Selling houses! This one is $50. This one is $100. And this one is $200.
Guys, this is my house. This is not a good house.
Selling houses! Yeah, I'm selling houses!
Hey, let's get a new house.
Selling houses!
Can I get a house from you?
Well, sure. Do you have money?
No, I don't have any money.
No money, no house.
I'm gonna get some money. Yay! Selling food. Selling food. Selling food. Selling mandarin.
Hey, do you also have vegetables?
I don't have vegetables.
Well, get some. I need it.
That's a good idea. I'm going to the supermarket. Stay here.
Okay, I will wait. Let's wait.
I'm gonna buy food for my store. A moment. Gotta get carrots, broccoli. We need some tomato, cucumber, bell pepper, some apples, this is so healthy. Whoa, I see watermelon. I love watermelon. And the last one is bananas. Guys, look into my fruits and vegetables now. Selling fruits and vegetables. Okay, customer, what do you need?
Broccoli, watermelon, and an apple.
Okay, one broccoli. Watermelon you want? And an apple. There will be $3, please.
Thank you. Here you go. Thank you.
Yay, I got money now. I can buy a house.
Houses, selling houses, selling houses.
Hey, I got some money. Can I have a house? I got $3.
$3? That's not enough.
How much do you want then?
Well, at least $50. This is great quality. Yeah, this is great quality.
Maybe $3 and my fruit.
Hey, that's actually a good idea. I'm hungry. Okay, it's a deal. 1, 2. Congratulations, this is your new house.
Yes! Yeah, I got a new house.
And these are my fruits now. I got a lot of nice food. Thank you.
Yeah.